What is up, everybody? It's Daryl with Violet's Hub. Today I'm going to go over how to make thumbnails for your YouTube videos using Canva. So first off, basically we're just going to be going to Canva, and you can type in YouTube here. So YouTube channel art, you have YouTube thumbnail. It auto has the size for you. You just click on it, and you can pick from their pre-selected stuff here, and you can just change the wording, change the pictures, whatever you want. A lot of these pictures are the pro version though, so if you want to do your own, you just hit the new one, and here we go. So you got your own. Again, you still have templates over here that you can use. You can click on any of their templates, it'll bring it up, and you can actually just click on it and type whatever you want, and that's going to bring that up. It's going to make it so you can customize it. So I don't want to do that. I'm going to start from scratch here. And what I actually did was I took a screenshot and I uploaded the screenshot here. And you can bring it over. When you click on it, it'll drop it over here. To upload media, you just click here and select anything from your computer. It'll upload it here. It's very fast. And then you can resize it to whatever you want, like that. And you can see on the one that I've already done, there's the background. And we have a couple different things. We have font and we have some clip art. So if you come over, you can name this whatever you want to. So basically, if you want to add font, you go to text. You can add a pre-selected style font, which will give you a bunch of different options. Or you can just go to add heading, and it'll give you the options that you have here. I can grab what I'm doing so I don't have to type the whole thing over again, and paste it in there. And so there's that, and that's actually added a header. I don't need that. So basically, once you get the font in there, you can highlight it, select any type of font you want, whatever style you want to do. And for that video, I had this one. I also colored it yellow because you want your font to pop. You want people to be able to read what it is on the actual thumbnail, because a lot of people see the thumbnail first, read the thumbnail first, and they don't actually go for the words that are written next to the thumbnail. So right here is your color. Right here is your effect. So you can go no effect, there's nothing behind it. Shadow effect, and if I change the color, you can see what that is. You see the shadow behind it? The transparency is going to make it either darker or lighter behind it. You have the direction of it is just changing where it's at. You see that? It flips it around. Offset is how far or close it is to the letters. And then your blur makes it more of a shadow than it would being actual part of the letter, like making it more bubble letter. This gives it a shadow, which I think is a pretty cool look. But you can see that there's still, in this area, it's still a little hard to see. So as you can see in this one, I added another box behind it. And I'll show you how to do that. If you go to elements, you can type in shapes, and it'll bring up a bunch of different shapes for you. So I selected the square that has rounded edges. You size it to whatever size you want here. And then you can right click and actually send it backward. It'll go behind the font. If you go up to this right here, this is your transparency. So you can tone it down a little bit so you can still see the background. It gives it that effect, but you can see the letters a lot better. And then you can change the color. You can leave the color like that. It's honestly not bad, but you could change the color to black to give it, more of a pop. If you highlight both of those, right click and hit group, it's actually all one group now. And you can put that wherever you want. You see that pink line that comes up? That shows that I'm centered. You can center it straight in the middle of everything if you want to, or you can bring it up where I had the other one up here at the top. And you can see on this one, I actually have the computer here. I got that from their elements. Same thing. I just typed in computer, as you can see. Computer there, and clicked on the first one that came up. Boom. Put it right there, and that is exactly how I did it. You have this one, and we just made that one. Now to save it, you actually come up to download right here, click it, and download. You'll see it come down here, it loads it, save the file. I'm just going to open it so you can see it. You'll save it, and then you can upload it onto your YouTube video. But so you can see what it looks like. There it is. Done. The words pop out. Everything's very bright and visual. You could even make these bigger because it's going to be small whenever you see this thumbnail. So you can take these guys here, and I can actually go, let me shrink them down a little bit. Enter on this so that it's like that. We're going to blow it up right there. So that's a little bit better. It has kind of a better look to it. But yeah, you can change the font, blow it up, make it really big so people can see it, and then you just upload it onto your YouTube video, and this can be your screenshot. So that way it's not just a generic piece of the video, you can have something for somebody to look at. So that is the end of this tutorial. If you guys like this, if you want to see more of this, then subscribe. If it helped you out, if you can like it. And yeah, if you want to share it with anybody that can help you out, cool. Also put in the comment sections if there's something else you want to see, if there's anything else you want to know about this, and I'll do my best to come in and answer the questions. And yeah, so I will catch you guys next time. Have a good one.